guys, I welcome you all to the episode 11 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak, I represent iFinStrats. But today we're going to talk about another stock. But this time I've picked up a stock from consumer food industry and the stock name is Heritage Foods. The stock is trading currently at about 360 rupees. It has shown up a beautiful jump of 9.9% just in one day today. I've been watching this stock for almost about a day or so, and it looks very interesting because it is just kind of gaining momentum at the moment. The stock has been resisting for the last few years at a certain price point, which we'll see in a minute from here, while we dive down into the charts. But the stock is kind of gaining some good momentum, as I said. The stock has a beta of about 0.86, which is good. It's a small cap company worth about 3,300 crores of market capitalization. So let's see, without wasting any time, let's dive into the charts of Heritage Food and see what the technicals say about Heritage Foods. Okay, guys, let's deep dive into Heritage Foods chart. I've opened up the monthly chart of Heritage Foods. Um, as we always do the multi-time frame analysis. So let's start with monthly chart. If I can show you on a monthly basis, back in December of 2017, it had made a high of 450.8. Currently, it is trading at about 360.5, which means it is short of about 24% from its previous highs, which was 7 years back. So I think it is all set to break a 7-year-old resistance here, and that would be very interesting to see. Another interesting thing, what I want to show you here is the pattern which I'm drawing here for you, which it's creating, and that's a beautiful W pattern it has created on the monthly basis, which means the stock with a little bit of upside from here could really go out and, if not break the all-time resistance of 450 rupees, it could at least go and touch there, which means that there is a basic minimum upside of 24% pending for this stock to get us. And if it breaks the resistance and goes into the uncharted territory, then probably it will show us a phenomenal growth, which I'm expecting. But having said that, it's markets and anything is feasible, anything is possible in these markets. Now, before going down more into this discussion, let me break it down to the daily chart and see what's the stock doing on the daily charts. So if you see, it's made a huge jump of 9.5% just around today. And if you see that the 22 WMA is just crossing over the black line of 44 weighted moving average. Let me just show you here. Well, guys, this is the 22 weighted moving average, and the black line here is the 44 moving average, and it is just given a beautiful crossover today. So all in all, things are adding up well. And as I said, the chart is the heritage food chart is well on its way to give us some nice decent upside move, which I would which I'm predicting. However, let's see how the chart works, uh, or how the prices work in the next few weeks or next few months. Now, this could be a little bit of a longer trade to give you about 25% from where it stands today. But I wouldn't mind waiting for a good jump. If I can get a 25% jump in the next 1 or 2 months, I'd be very happy with that. Another thing I want to show you here is that for the past so many days, or I would say more than 2 months, the stock has been resisting around this figure of 352, and just today it has broke open the 352 to resistance, near-term resistance, and gone and closed at about 359.4. So which means the stock is getting some bullish momentum now. Let's also look at some of our other indicators other than the crossovers of the weighted moving averages. Wow, if you see, the RSI has just gone past 60 today, so which is turning it to be a real bullish uh, trade. And then let's look at the trend strength indicator, which is the ADX. If you see that the positive directional index has gone above 20, and I think the blue line, which is the ADX line, is just hovering around or above 20, shall we say that way. Then let's also look at some more indicators here. I want your attention here on its Heritage Foods performance against the broader index, which is Nifty, on a 55-day basis. I think Heritage Food has just started working better than the broader index as per the relative strength. And last but not the least, let's also give a good track to the volumes. Let's look at the volumes here. What do we see here with the volumes? So wow. So you see the volumes, the on balance volume has made a high above, or let's say it's traversing above its 50-day moving average, with the prices going up consistently and the on balance volume showing an upward move. This stock, in my opinion, is all set to go and give us the upside what we are looking at. So all in all, I think I would just wait for this stock to hit another 24% from here in the next few weeks or months to go and hit the long-term resistance. And if that breaks, the long-term resistance breaks, I think we would be poised for a very, very good trade. Now, notwithstanding all this, this is my analysis, and I just shared this analysis with you from all educational point of view. You guys figure out your analysis, do your analysis before taking any position in Heritage Foods, and also do please consult your financial advisor. I'm not SEBI registered. This is my thinking, this is my analysis, this is my way of looking at the stock. But all in all, looks to me good, and I would suggest you do your own analysis before taking any position. Well, that's it for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. We'll catch up once again tomorrow. Bye bye.